Oh my God, look at this Galaxy S3 that I bought on eBay. I actually bought several of these because I needed parts out of them. And just an example here of whenever you buy something on eBay that is advertised as having no power, this is the sort of things that you can get into. I mean, I am willing to bet everything I have that this phone absolutely positively has no power. Hopefully, it has the goodies that I'm after. Let's see. Oh yeah. Tested and no power. Isn't it beautiful? At first I thought liquid damage until I seen the mutilation.